prophet I'm sent to represent for black government. Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we giving to the Most High now for we daily living. Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we giving to the Most High now for we daily living.
All right, you see when me get there now. See the road there now, don't it?
Yeah.
I mean road that, don't it? See sidewalk where everybody pass, right? Good. To some people, hold on, come now. See there. If you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone, right? The people, their mind is so narrow. I ain't saying no, when people poor, them not have no responsibility. How am I going to manage? No. The woman ya round of them part of earlier walk around and have these whole heap of unwanted picnic them, you see? And let them go upon innocent people because, watch you now, see it ya? Upon me veranda, me can't take up this. Come on now. Look here again. Look here again. Me not bring them up. And me hope me hear when they something them a lick pan the horning. And me I say no. Where this for? Come on man. I send them.
I stole that again there.
Same damn thing. Same thing. You see it, you call them there now something with me harm.
I've been there, yeah, so.
You understand me, brethren? No. Some places, the people them deal with certain amount of principle that the parents them cannot have more than what they can afford. The parents need help, and it's them I have responsibility. Oh God Almighty! If you go road and go see amount of them when you have no home, and then you see when people desperate and hungry. Remember, you might look everybody if you carry down with them, you know. Them feel like now, you see, me too happy. Because them in a them problem are hungry and in a them desperation, right? And when you look and see, you look to them like say all win for their way hoodland. Understand? That may show you people mind narrow. Some people believe in life, you live by him, should not live it. And at the moment, I know for him destiny that. For him destiny when born, he can't suffer. Right? Hey, watch out, man. And for your destiny, it's not like that. And you have me here, you watch you, right? And I say, what kind of thing this? And then I carry vengeance and I carry red eye and bad mind and grudgeful and all them things, they're full of people, so, man. Hey.
In there, they hear thing a little.
Yes, man. Right? And imagine now.
Yeah.
Me no in one way now.
Yeah.
Hold on, me not parent. When you're a parent, now I won't give people them money then, right? Them fi stone you know. Right?
Big stone under you there.
How them not go molest you? If you no live happy.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And I fuck with your meditation before you start fret. Because when them do them something there, what next? When people pass them place with you the first time, and you see if you not catch him and put him back in him place, he gonna think for the worst, you know. Right? And when them do it and run, right? Oh, the rascal, right? You are gonna know who now. And them do it all the night.
Yeah.
Come now. No fear no living, alright. Therefore a ghost then set upon you now. How? Then in a human being ghost there. And then send ghosts na them and possess them now to come to context it. When me tell myself say no, alright? Once bitten, twice shy. 3 is dead to rascal, and 3 times now me hear you know.
3 times here to one lick pan.
Yes.
Yeah.
And me saying hey.
This is it.
Then send them. You rascal, hold on. No, it not normal, it not supposed to so. No, man.
Man, them a two, they're not it.
How them me not feel live in peace?
Why?
No, why? You will come from work and you hold your with gun and take away all of your money. And you have your hungry God picnic them. Right? That's a one. Then we fire shot after thief and he catch innocent man and cripple him. Nothing he have to get. Over and over. What? Come, oh God Almighty. Why we so destructive, brother? Long life is a challenge. Because she didn't come and challenge me that way now. And me a plan now.
Yeah.
How to challenge him back. Yeah? Yes. The time them a do it. Me know the time. And you see, when people are over the limit with you, you have to go to any heights and limit now to stop it. Don't you? Good. Well, me give out a warning. Right? Yes. I go over village and me give out a warning.
They give out a warning.
Loud with the loudspeaker. That the parents them hear.
Oh.
And who's to ever do it, he must hear me too. So me out for dead. Right? Good. So, listen. Then say, you have to think of the negative. You can't think of the positive alone. Because the two of them make up life. So when problem occurred, you understand, you have to depend on your head too. And know how to deal with it. Because one trouble cause two. You understand? Yes. So, then say problem cannot solve problem, you know. Right? Because me was here already, you know. Before this glass place, when the board house were burned down, right? And the school picnic then usually pass and do the same thing. And me run down one with bike and box him down, and man I said to me fi prepare. Cause him parents them a go come for me now. I know them and me say that's why me do it. Me want them come. You don't know that's why me do it. Hold on. Oh my God.
What is this?
No.
No boy no reach a foot.
Me no see nobody come. Because I know see wrong them a do.
Yeah.
Right? And thing in down get way. Yeah? I three of them. Bam. When Messi say I pull them, I pull me out. It was zinc fence, you know.
Yeah.
Right. And it make nice.
Yeah.
And when them fling pan it, you know me do. Me go hide.
Yeah.
I don't give a sound, I don't make them know me there because Messi say attention, them a look.
Yeah.
If you put me in a trouble. Don't? Good. So when me hear stone lick pan pen,
The soldier go hide.
me go mass.
Yeah.
Yeah, then they don't know. They don't know that me no die.
Yeah.
They say me no die.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. And they take that man stop. And they stop. You understand? Because them find out, say no cure, then do it.
You know, follow them.
Me not pay them no mind. You see what I mean? Good. This time, anytime the parents them, no good enough. And bad mind, you see. I saw them heart spring come because, as me I show you, say, so my parents them poor and have a load of carry with them. And them in a torturing with the parents. Whosoever them see a survive, then red eye and jealous and bad mind because they go they cut on the banana, and I believe I the same little boy there.
Which banana?
One plant me have against the fence up there, so man me a wait for one ripe honey.
Yeah.
That mean me know say well then in well come to perfection,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Good. Then it make it look like I want, me no want it. That mean me not fi make it stay there so long, understand? Then we cut it all blood clot half full just for you not get it all in wickedness. Kiss me right. Almost we live in peace. When I go up there and look, you see, I tree alone turn up just to the near fence, you know. By night then take it, you know. Because me the near the road and them a pass and I see it.
That look like a big smarty do that, man.
No.
Well, go
Then
yeah.
me no, then no must big, me no know Rasta big, no one stone there. And then hold the fucking dry one. We hang down, carry it over the fence and dry it down. And chop off and let go back. Let it go back. It no pop.
Chop neat.
What?
It chop neat.
It no chop none at all.
The ring off?
Yeah, it chop neat. It chop off.
Yeah.
It chop off.
I look like a somebody big do that.
Well, that's me no know, you know, my brethren, because boy, when we do it big enough, I'm tell me I wish boy do it and have me run up and down, bring a premix and over village and tell me why we do it. And that time I pussy clot him. Yes! My spirit.
Oh, in stay? In black?
Yes, when I ride bicycle all about the place, one whole heap of them. Yeah. That, I call you know, you know. And listen, you see the mother them? Remember, every great man being defeated by these people, right? And if you ever say you attack truth, these people will poison you, you know. You have to adjust down yourself to this liberty, this Babylon principle, because you know, land, you know, when you say Babylon, I know Babylon. Babylon, right?
How long ago that happened?
What?
How long ago that happened, the banana business?
A couple of weeks now, man, all the tree dry up and me chop off, me chop it down.
And then gone everything.
You know what me say?
But that,
the person that disrespect me and I show me say, he hate me. Because if me see him to rascal out when he cut it down and I go to kill him and he a gun, he go and shoot me, you know. How you mean? Then I show me saying he will do me things. Because no things he might do me there so. Him no know the man out to go pay him when he go there and not see it. He know, you know.
I beg the money for beg you a sucker, you know, for you plant it, you know.
That's not good enough.
It's not good
It's
enough.
going to take too long.
It'll take too
to
long.
bear. God damn it. How are you, man?
And the rogue them hungry, you know.
I know me alone when me talk the people about the place, I tell me say the same thing they do to them. Cut them banana by night. So me know what bad happening to you and your thought is you alone it happening to. There's a lot of people facing the same damn thing, yeah? Right. So anything bad is happen to you, go around and talk. And see if you don't get help. When some start telling the same story. At the same thing. Right? Yes, man. With all the good business, you think I'm me alone. God Almighty. Why me don't know all one come side and me down there and have a manage because it go like him silent. You understand? Because him say him no drink soup when he hot. And me I say, yes, man, stay there not talk. Right? Yeah, right. Stay there, right?
You no drink soup when
he hot.
Make it cool.
Because if him talk, things not go work, him silent, I go do him for the one.
Yeah.
Me I say, well, that sound good.
That sound
but
bad.
do it, make me see, because me no see you, I do nothing. Right? Because me fire, you know, and me dying to see him and take side with me and the man. Easy and I say, him a talk easy and I talk low. And the man go talk loud, you know, to make the enemy hear, you know. And I don't like these people. Right? The secretive people them. Right, sir? Yes. Me nah go round your back go talking now. Me a talk loud, me a come anywhere you live. And go talk loud and tell people how you stay now. Some man is too silent. Right? More liberty take. Cause right now me walk a go down there and me no see no go over there in a rata.
Not go yet.
You hear me I warn you? Because me go to any me say this time I'm a sick person, boy. Jesus God up this time. Then kill out the bed of peanut. Me say to the bed of peanut. Pretty naughty man.
All of them gone?
And a 3 times they will lash it down, you know. Right? Yes, man. And kill a whole heap of important tree. Well, the few we fight. If you see how them can't get to go over there, me imagine if them then get to come kill the rest, you know, man. How would I feel good, Right? Look on the raspberry tree, them all make some pear tree and sitting in the rasta, right? Everything when me plant, the demons where said like how people them done. Me warn in here, until you have animal and drop on you, right? And that's why don't these people find so much fault, right? And the animal them can send bomb clot and let them go with blood clot rope because them are draw and they see them go down there, me a call in the one where I dig the field man down there. I say, my brethren, you know one truck for draw down and creep up the whole of them sitting there and carry them away? Yes! Look him and look in our hands. Me say, listen, say everybody goat them there. A wild goat. If I hear a goat, the goat they must protected. You can't just let them go wild, so. That no fear, that wouldn't right. If it's your goat and you own the goat them, attack the goat, they must protected. You can't let them go, sir. Any rascal one must can't catch one, A wild goat, a fucking truck with draw down, I say, and surround them up and run them and back them up and catch them and throw them like truck and gone. Pound them and you have to go pay money to get them. Yeah? You see how get up people stay? Anywhere residential here, man have discipline and respect, you must be mad. You better go pound for them blood clot, and go pay money, boy.
Yeah, let go.
And you not get them, Thank you, sir.
First thing,
So you see,
you can't even raise goat or residential. You can't do that.
Me say, for poor people, them life deadly, Oh, God Almighty, me say, my brethren, then create a breed of courthouse. Jesus, God Almighty. And death to rascal. You see, yes, I'm prison, right? Courthouse, liar, judge, prison. Oh God, go see if you see over 6 people them at follow up them the place. Yeah.
Yeah. And them my liar. And them my judge.
But and then go one side to themselves, right? If them come where the one them where him after he not come. I can't after them to no. Say them no up to date, them can't solve them problem, right? When they create for them one problem, them a run to people never create it to solve it. So me say them same backside. But them is a damn ass. Yes. Because imagine, me never was there. I never help you create no dispute on the problem, right? And I run to me, and you know what is my duty? Is to teach you the sense. Yeah? You think I make you get way? If me no fuck the 2 hours, me fuck 1 hour. Yes! That's my word that. Yeah? Yeah. Without you know, me can't survive.
Yeah.
So me glad man. So no run come to me who never create none to solve it, right? So I go in charge one of no send one to prison, right? Arrest, I go and send one to prison and they go one. But who no now get right now?
Who no get
now? We are squad, right? The first thing you can't go talk to judge, You had to make squad a liar get something. Him have qualification to go and talk to judge, right? So please, you have to play a liar. Right, this is start now, cause hustling. Right?
Hustling are going,
Yes, man, and I'm glad we see fucking big hell of a fool them, right? Your blood class, right, I catch him. Right,
hustling.
Only picnic support feed at that fucking place, right?
Yeah.
Not big people around, right? I mean, this is some big people rush and picnic around, right?
A big pit of them.
Yeah, him doing the wrong fucking thing. I want right. I'm pasty behind it. Like I writing him as rascal though. That's it, that fucking boy will buy a whole heap of goat Lego. Right? Doing the wrong fucking thing. I'm pasty behind it. You understand? He fucking illiterate. Got prison full, Some a come, some a go. Some a come, some a go. And he's hustling. Because sensible people may have seen some also on 80 yard, 70 yard. And they say they never go to jail, And I said, oh, you're lucky, so. My God. Why you walk straight, man?
I walk straight, you know.
What? Because majority sufferer, every ghetto sufferer, the big man them may say.
Go behind Bogla
They
body.
say they no gone up prison, but they go to jail. I'm just saying, okay, it's a hustling. Yes,
You have
a
to
business,
run-
man,
you
the
have
man
to
do
run
nothing.
you have to go burn off couple days behind the bar there.
But if, hold on, if disobedient spirit now rise up on you without reason and attack you, right? And then you defend it. The man they know enough. Say that will happen. And them say, I saw them get clue over you now. If you should really do what you're to do. They say, you take things on your own, right? Because you should know you're under forces. Where you had to do what them say, whether you like it or not. And now, you should try get away and come to me. You couldn't get away. Them never was there to back him up for you. And you have to flash your sting and never know when they're dead and then dead. Jesus God Almighty. Class,
Man, you get clue over you though.
No hustling.
House lady, you know.
Then the man in my area, you know, see scientists, them bad no blood clot. They know what that me now. I said, like, entity know that me, them must catch your ass in a boy. How? Every human being have a limit, you know. Yes, we come like machine. If you go over the limit with people, no cure in full, his head will slip. And he lost in consciousness. And at the time, him not conscious now, and one lick.
Thing flash.
And dead you go dead, and he start sweat because him like expect say you done dead in a rest.
Everyone knows that's so much no nice thing, you know.
And they know, say that will happen. So they set law against it, right? No man not going to stand up with their hand aside so long again are dead and dead be hungry, right? And you can't get no work, no money, no food. How that go now? Him a go if you stand up iron with this side long and dead hungry. It not going to work, you know. You know say somebody a go dead in that person hand. I remember go dead trying. He not stand up and dead. Me talk it already. Here don't have a happy so if you walk up and down a month or even 2-3 weeks and can't get no. You can go a one office, go get $1,000 then. You roast the flour them then and mix like a sugar and water and something and get like a chance to go on again, right? Nothing, you know. And I like, yes, and I like what I say now. Where them look out for these people just to keep down the crime. You understand that it? Who are working now. They know, say some, not can't get no work and them not qualify for a right? The whole of them try little thing I want half is you know. That thing can't go there. Go get it. If you buy in little rice and buy in little flour and thing and some no want nothing now. Yeah, some people don't want nothing and just want to know say I getting food and you know. Someone to sleep here.
Don't have food for the poor, then do them something there.
But it's not in a town here. It's not there all over Jamaica. Oh. I people me in a below we got the rascal to get the benefit. Yeah man, at them.
And the rogue now go so far.
No, because wickedest place over there no boy.
Yeah,
remember every parish they refuse to put the galas in and at them I wickedest place in a boy. Hey, over town you can't walk with wickedness rap over the place in a rasta. And that's why they the first town you know. Yes man, before over your bill. Yes.
They rogue them there.
Terrible man. Right. They love your government rascal. Hey, there are some prison. Why God Almighty the bread of wickedness will go along. And that blood clot parish they say why. Can we parish and refuse you know? Yes. And
yeah, let's roll out over there.
Me say, wanna done kill them. Me say, wanna hang out his son. That one black man. I said, then call him, you know. Usually, you know, I go over there, I go around there, you know, Rasta. I go around there and go see rascal sitting, right? Where them put you up on the door. We stand up and put the sitting up. I say, when you look down in the dungeon, how far to rascal? And what on now? You see when you draw away the door from your blood clot foot, not to leave out there now. right? And you
Drop down.
and drag back up to blood clot your neck, drag out to in a rasta. Saying, because the weight is still where you go down the way down when you breathe to the length and the blood clot you up. It drag you back up and then it tighten.
And neck pop.
And may I tell you, the make doctor go down there, go test you if you're dead before rasta. Some of the man them neck drag out and when he look in belly side till I go out and then just inject him.
Finish him.
Yeah, and just yes. Yes, not it. Hey, the cell where Marcus passed you over there, you know, right? And I say, well, how they make it look like a miracle? Like a miracle.
Make it can't open.
Yeah, seal it up.
And then fasten it.
Oh, me look at a black cement.
And cement and fasten it.
Black
it up. Yeah.
Right. And then make it look like all them walk through a miracle.
Miracle take it.
Miracle like it. Lord, me God, boy. Say we fools. I don't know with doctor ask that. That's the problem me have with the boy that me have passed right now.
Yes.
Dark and wicked are the things to people where them would like done to them, man. Alright, lock up.
Shaping in iniquity and conceived in sin, but at there's some everything begin. Stand from prayer, fall and friend, no one start go astray negative, we am start living. Now buy me for reach 15, now a fat grab a spliff. At Guinness when me start sipping. Girls black and brown, anyone test get rolled down, testosterone start chipping. Now the school me used to go, now the motto is angry animal when we just step and up ramp pushing. Like Mr. Vladimir, we are bar with some youth with no fear, cause them serious like Putin. Over Michael place, we go watch killer and scare face. Gangsters show, we no watch cushion. Me know every weed base, one no feel Nannyville top range, Vegas and back bushing. Round a gym was the turf, been up in a war with Smurf. Two old ragamuffin, now Smurf buff him chest on the spot, then bend up go wheel off and dick a shot. Never bluffing, the abandon now round the road now with the weed pon the board. Every day the chalice puffing, then police get a call and run in pon the scene. One day, put me in a handcuffing, oh Lord. I'm here and go ball at the altar. Jah here and go ball at the altar. Oh Lord. Police get a call and run in pon the scene one day. Handcuffing. You go in at the school and search any man, you must find a tool. 3-star, ice picking. And the sneaks where we like them, the days every man a wear Nike. So the shoes full of beer ticking. Me ever strap with the pop. In my face, no guy could do real up. Cause them know say me a no chicken. Me no KFC, no boy could do put them on in my face. Me no work with finger licking. Me ear tall and in a tam. Could get fi do no exam. Grades them never clicking. Me black rat and brown mouse. Down the classroom, them in a gambling house. Yard pack, deck sticking. Some of the dogs them turn fraud like the ones them where you play the trick yard. All when you watch them you get tricking. We bad like renegade. Me never even finish 10th grade. Out of school now me get kicking. Oh Lord. I'm here and go ball at the altar. Jah here and go ball at the altar. Oh Lord. Oi. Never ever finished 10th grade out of school, now me get kicking. Now me and tell you it straight. Don't think say you fabricate. Me and tell you a true story. Miraculously, me see Christ change my life, so you know say you in me and give the glory. Y'all hear me now? Serious and me not give no jokers, me no Cedric and me no Bernie. It's Elijah again, from half of the belly now my boss. Me I take you on a little German, man so no follow my grab. Because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney, no follow my grab. Because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney, no follow my grab. Because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney. To go through life, she try to teach me the easy way, but at the hard way me go learn it. Oh Lord. Yeah man, so me I implore to every ghetto youth. So out of every choice, best one of to choose Christ. Cause gangster life are nice. They may never live to tell a tale, but you will definitely pay the price. Lied you again. Them say Elijah is a prophet, but them you're not the devil. Chariot of fire, Elijah caught up in a heaven. Now them you used to link with Tommy before me in a grade 11. But them push down Tommy over greater than a the 7. Ooh Lord.